What the fuck up? What the fuck up? What the fuck up, world? How y'all doing, man? Man, I just came from child support court. Like I say, there's another shit with this law shit, and it was crazy as hell. You know what I'm saying? Because I go into the hearing, like I say, first they wouldn't even let me address myself as I address myself as the natural person, and that shit just fucked my head up, man. So they went to proceed to ask me questions. They like, why you ain't did this and why you ain't did that? I was like, well, I've been in total compliance with y'all office. So, I mean, I'm not understanding. I even asked, what act do y'all follow? You know what I'm saying? He was like, well, I ain't finna get into all that. Well, I was just like, I assumed that y'all follow the FDCP since y'all trying to collect the debt on me. And this and that and this and this. And I told him, I say, when I went to the office, I explained to people that I operate in two people. I operate as the natural person, I operate as the legal person. He told me, I don't want to hear that crap. And all this stuff is in court and being recorded. So they put me in contempt because I guess they thought I was trying to be a smart ass, but really, you know what I'm saying, pursuant to USC 15, 16, 11, all them motherfuckers is in violation just because of the simple fact, y'all supposed to knowingly know this shit. Y'all supposed to knowingly know this shit. So everybody, I never seen that shit before. Everybody got frustrated with me because I was kicking the law to their ass. You know what I'm saying? I say, to tell you the truth, I'm not obligated for this. You know what I'm saying? My legal person is obligated for it. I'm the card holder of this trust account. You understand? It's a trust account. And then y'all still, and then that's another thing, bro. You asking me for money. You asking me for money in a consumer credit plan. Anytime you give your social security card to anyone to open up an account, that's a consumer credit plan. Falls up under truth in lending, period. So my next step is to write a certified letter, get this shit here straightened out, get it notarized, and just basically tell about my situation. Because that's what you have to do with these damn laws. You know what I'm saying? Or they sit up there and railroad you like they just railroaded me. But it's all good because I ain't tripping on it because I know the laws. So, I mean, to tell you the truth, I ain't going there expecting them to recognize me. I was going in there, I wanted them to violate me. You know what I'm saying? Now I got a reason to put in the complaint. Just because of the simple fact, like, what the fuck? Just totally just ran over a nigga. And this a hearing office. This not even a real court. You understand? But they're trying to put enforcement on me. You cannot, listen, man, child support falls up under the Social Security Act. So if it falls up under the Social Security Act and I got a Social Security card, where is cash permissible? All obligations. See, this is the shit that sit up here and break up black families and keep fathers and shit away from their kids. Mothers who pay child support away from their kids. Because of the simple fact of misidentification. And you know another motherfucking thing? In this motherfucking letter, I'm going to ask them, who are the motherfucking beneficiaries or the card holders of this trust account? Because it's a trust account. You're dealing with money. That means commerce and trade, period. But these people felt like they wanted to do what they wanted to do and railroaded me and so-called hit me what they wanted to hit me with. You know what I'm saying? Which is okay, because like I said, we don't owe any debts. But these people just threatened to put me in jail saying, you owe us some debt. And it was crazy because it was just like the child support people. Nobody knew this shit. They talking about you the person in front of us, you're responsible for this and that. And I'm like, bro, everybody is violating the law right here in front of my face. Literally violating the law in front of my face. Bro, any debt falls up, any debt that's being collected, anybody collecting any debt falls up under the FDCPA. You understand? And you can't be a creditor and a debtor at the same time. When I gave them my motherfucking goddamn social security card, that made them a creditor in the trust account. That means they are the trustee over the account. And guess what? I'm the card holder. So that makes me the beneficiary or one of the beneficiaries of this account. So my whole thing is I'm trying to tell the trustee what to do with this account. And the trustee just said, kiss my ass, you paying me cash in a consumer credit transaction where cash is non-comparable. You understand? This is how we are getting ran the fuck over. You understand? How the fuck you want cash when cash is a promise to pay? You put me more in debt. Then when I sit up there and try to talk about the accuracy of it, you know what I'm saying? Dog, all that shit counts, bro. You understand? These people have stolen my identification. What I mean by that is they have reported my motherfucking goddamn information to a third party. You understand? Child support shouldn't be on my TransUnion consumer report. A credit report. It shouldn't be on there. I didn't give anybody any written authorization. To convey my information with anybody, you have to have my authorization. But like I said, you have to. That's what I mean. I told y'all gotta fight. This shit ain't no easy shit at all, man. I got a headache just because motherfucker didn't. I got a headache from them motherfuckers not knowing. You understand? And it ain't what they were trying to treat me bad or nothing, but it's just like this shit been going on for years. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't even, a motherfucker who didn't understand what I'm saying didn't want to even hear what I was saying. That's because they already had what they was gonna do in their mind already. You know what I'm saying? And they didn't expect a motherfucker like me to come in and sit up here and talk my federally protected shit. I'm federally protected, bro. And I just got violated like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Not recognized. And look at here, man. I got a headache and I'm pissed the fuck off. I'm pissed off because, not because things ain't go my way, because motherfuckers don't know their job. Motherfuckers don't know their job. And like I said, it's another step. Write a letter. This is what I do. This is what I'm doing next. Write a cease and desist letter. Get that bitch notarized. Get it certified. Get a copy of that bitch. Send it to the CFPB. Send it to the Attorney General's office. You know what I'm saying? Y'all understand? I'm trying to have some. I'm so pissed right now. I'm so pissed right now. You know what I'm saying? That shit made me so mad. But anyway, I just got an opinion, and I thought I'd shed some light on how this law shit work, or how it's been working, and how we need to work on the shit to get to a different place in life, man. Because there's no way in hell that you owe any debts. USC 18.8 says that shit. The United States holds the obligation and securities for the consumer. That's you. But in this particular transaction, these motherfuckers just sit up there and gave me their ass to kiss. You know what I'm saying? So, and then it's so crazy. It wasn't like I was cussing aloud or nothing. It's just like they knew what the fuck